Now the differentiation formula. This was computer science department in my time. Uh, Computer science subject was there in a numerical methods. So I will tell you one thing. Now this is the differentiation. This is the function given. This is the function given. Y is equal to function of x. This is in the y direction. This is x direction. Okay. Now let me tell you the figure and the graph. Now this is the function, and this is the equally spaced strip cut out. The distance is h. When x is equal to x naught, and this is the y value, and in this way x is equal to xi. This is the value fi. Y is equal to fx, no? So this is fi. This is xi minus 1. This just before 1 each before, so I minus 1. This is I plus 1. Okay. So these widths are the widths are equally spaced. Strip width is h. These are all equal. Now let me read down. You just go on writing along with me. The numerical evaluation of a function fx is usually required at discrete points xi of the x-axis when those pivotal points are evenly spaced by h, as is often the case. They are given by xi is equal to initial value, means x naught, x is equal to x naught plus minus I into h, where I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and all this. Okay. Now pivotal values fi is equal to fxi. The value of fj, j is any value at j point of fx at the value of fj of fx at any pivotal point xj can be expressed in terms of fx and its derivatives at another point xi by means of Taylor series expansion about the point xi. Thus, if xj is equal to xi plus minus m. M is a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 xi plus minus mh. Now what is Taylor series? You must go on. I will show you the Taylor's series. Function of x plus h. This is the Taylor formula. This is the first derivative, and this is the second derivative, and so on. This is factorial 2, and this is the next one will be by factorial 3, and all this. This goes up to this Taylor series for infinity. Okay. Now you can, this Taylor series can be for plus minus also. Just you put in place of h here, you put in place of h plus minus h. So this will be like this. So the formula is f plus x plus minus h is equal to this plus minus this and this. This is plus, not plus minus, because square, plus square is plus, minus square is plus. So this is this, and up to infinity. Okay. Now this is the Taylor series. We will be applying here this one, fj is equal to fxj is equal to fxi plus minus mh is equal to, this is the formula I will be using. Here it is m is there, not only h. So you put the formula in place of h in the mh. So this is the formula we are getting it. I will not explain it, this is very easy. This is the Taylor series expansion. Okay. So rest of this is in the algebraic solutions. And nothing is there, only algebraic solution, and we will be getting in particular with m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 2, we find the following expressions for fx at the two pivotal points m on either side of xi. Either side is plus side, right side of xi and left side of xi. So this is the, we are getting fi minus 2 fi. So this is very easy. What is fi? Is a function of xi. fi minus 1. This is in one step before fi. These two steps before fi. So this formula I will roll on. You just take down. These are the point, means 3 means third derivative. This is the second derivative. This is the first derivative. Okay. The above 1, 2, 3 and 4 formulas. What is 1, 2, 3 and 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The above 1, 2, 3 and 4 working formulae obtained through Taylor series expansion help and this help us to derive the various differentiation formulae with their errors. Now from 3, where 3 is this one, 3, from 3 we have fi dash, first derivative of fi, xi, the function of xi. This is the actually we will be using this formula. Is the simplest form for fi dash. The derivative, first derivative will be using this formula plus some error, minus plus जो भी हो, there is some error. This total we will consider is an error if we use the formula up to this. One minute. Then now from, sorry, you just wait. Now this is the formula we have. This is the error plus epsilon. This is the error E of the order of H. Error is equal to minus H by 2 Fi double dot. Okay. Now this if you drop it, if you drop this one error, so you will get this is the formula. So dropping higher order and the error is there. Higher order means higher order of H. Okay, so this is called second point formula. This notation is I, you can do comma 2, second point. Now a second exact expression for f dot I is found by subtracting 3, subtracting 2 from 3. So number 2, this is the second formula for f dash, fi dash. Just you see, and these are the error. Whatever the error is there, this is error is minus h square by 6 fi triple dash plus something. So this total here is error. Error is of the order of h square. This formula is more accurate as h is a small quantity and epsilon tends to h square is smaller. Sadhna? I will get another formula for this. In the next video.